Good day, everyone. Today is January 11, 2025. As you're aware that gold is premium and gold is king, there is a saying that he who has the gold makes the rules. The government is making the rules for you as the buyer to follow. If you are not following the rules of the government, then you are going to encounter disaster. Why I say this disaster? You want to cut corner. Just like recently, there was group of Chinese. They tried to smuggle gold from Congo to bring it to neighboring border. What happened? They were being tipped off that they are carrying the gold in their car. The police intercepted the Chinese, leaving Congo on halfway to the border of Kampala. It was on the news. Chinese are trying to smuggle it. They don't want to pay the right price. They're asking for cheap price. The seller agree on the buyer. Okay, here's the gold. You pay taxes. Not knowing that maybe the seller tip of the police and the buyer intercepted. Now, today they are in Kalubos means jail time. Now, Mr. International Buyer, I know you are crying for gold for your business. Either you're gonna bring the gold to Dubai because most of the buyer, international buyer, they bring gold to Dubai because Dubai is a hub. Why are they gonna bring the gold in Dubai? I've been watching on the news on articles. Dubai is a hub. Dubai is a transit. Most of the smuggler they bring gold to Dubai and then resell it to the refinery, and then refinery refine it into different uses, and then they're gonna supply to the chain of customer. Maybe they're gonna supply that in India. Maybe they are going to supply in Europe. Maybe they are going to supply in United States or Middle East. Once the gold refined, you don't know where the gold coming from. They will say the gold coming from Dubai. But Dubai has no gold. Dubai is a desert. So Dubai is a transit of all the smuggler. So I'm just informing you, Mr. Baya. If you try to smuggle it, then you are paying the price, just like this Chinese. You must remember, even big mining company, they are positioning themselves in Africa. One mining company from Australia, they were being arrested for not paying taxes and royalty. There is a big company, mining company from Canada. They were also arrested. Just imagine, they are big company. They were being given a tax incentive, but still they are delinquent on remitting the royalty and the taxes. You as Mr. Buyer, a small timer, that's normal. You have to pay taxes. That is normal. You cannot take the gold of the country without paying the gold. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, how safe am I? You are going to be safe if you follow the golden rules. You must remember this saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. The government is making the rules, so therefore you have to follow the golden rules. Now, Mr. Buyer, you meet this lady. This is Wilhelmina Ford. I'm based in Australia. I am the business facilitators of yours and also the seller extension and mandate. Now you're gonna see why Wilhelmina is on YouTube, why Wilhelmina is on Facebook. I was the one who introduced this because when I was in Africa, there's a lot of problem because the seller would not help you. The seller doesn't care for you, Mr. Baya. The seller will say, here's the gold, taste the gold, pay. But The seller cannot provide you export documentation that you pay the gold. I'm telling you, Mr. Buyer, you are going to encounter tralala. Guaranteed, 1,000,000%. Guaranteed. Why? I've been to Africa. I was hired by the seller to handle marketing for them. I was hired. I used to be in real estate. I was the one who introduced this. I patterned the way we Australian selling online. Nowadays, you can buy property online. Before the buyer come to the office, they have to look around. I used to be on real estate, Mr. Buyer. I'm already retired. The seller from Africa saw my profile when I was on real estate. And then you're gonna say, oh, I'm scared. Why you gonna be scared? Probably you are a smuggler. Probably you are criminal. Probably your money is dirty. Why you gonna be scared? You need to follow the golden rules. Now, Mr. Buyer, it's easy for you to secure gold to a genuine seller. Wilhelmina is the one who will take you to the genuine seller. Wilhelmina will determine which seller I'm going to bring you, either in Conakry, either in Mali or Sierra Leone, but I need to know your credential. Credential means I need to see your business registration. I need to see your importation license. I need to see your passport copy. I need to see the proof of fund that you have $1,000,000 in your bank account standby or $700,000. That proof of fund signify that you are genuine. Now you are dealing with a genuine seller via Wilhelmina because I have all the documentation of the seller and I have a transaction successful already. Guaranteed, Mr. Buyer, you will get the gold. Provided you use Wilhelmina's services. You cannot just travel to Africa without knowing who is going to be supplier. Now, Mr. Buyer, the full corporate offer is in front of you. Just click subscribe and give me a thumb and subscribe and give me the comment whether you understand or not. Now, the full corporate offer is on this video, Mr. Buyer. I always put the date because the price of gold, it varies days to day. Now, today is Saturday. The price of gold is 2,689.34. That was yesterday. Now, the stock exchange is closed. So now, the gold price is 86,464.22. Yesterday. Today, there is no transaction because today is Saturday. They only transact Monday to Friday. But Wilhelmina is always here online explaining to you. Now, Mr. Buyer, the price of gold today, that was yesterday on Friday, 86,464.22, regardless of the price on the world market. Our selling price less 8% tax included, except shipping cost, except insurance. Now, if you convince Wilhelmina, I might renegotiate to the head office to reconsider that we absorb the shipping cost, but you need to insure. You have to pay the insurance. Now, you're going to ask, Wilhelmina, how much is the shipping cost? Whatever the total sale value, 1.5% on the total sale value. And also the insurance, 1.5%. But don't bank on it because the shipping company will charge you whatever the price, whatever the quantity, because that is taxable and that is precious mineral. You need to ensure that, because if the gold leave the country of origin, you never know, your gold will be stolen. But if the gold is insured, you are safe. But if you want to hand carry, it is your risk. And if you want to buy gold in Mali, my suggestion, don't hand carry. There was a buyer from Paris. I mentioned that on my previous video, and I don't want to mention his name. We give him the landing visa for Conakry, and not knowing he was dealing seller in Mali. So this buyer is also deceitful. He deceived himself and deceived me, but it's okay. So I communicated with him. So when he arrived in Mali, he encountered disaster and he come to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina helped me. I said, no, I cannot help you because you are going to try to smuggle it. You deceive yourself and you are not truthful enough. So what happened? He hand carried the gold stop over in Ghana. Now, when you stop over in every country, all your luggage must be X-ray. So when the custom in Ghana airport saw that there was something wrong on the metal box, they opened the metal box. Instead of 20 kilos, the seller put extra of 10 kilos, which is 30 kilos. But the export documentation, only 20 kilos. What happened? Disaster. So this buyer, he get out in Ghana airport because his gold was being seized in the airport. Why? The export documentation is not 30 kilos. Why is only 20 kilos? So this buyer and the seller deceiving the government. Now I'm just informing you, Mr. Buyer, okay? So that you're gonna be aware. Don't be a fool because at the end of the day, you are going to encounter disaster. You are going to lose money and then you're gonna say, oh, scam, scam. You are one of the scammer. You know the meaning of scam means you lied yourself. You deceive yourself because of profit. Mr. Buyer, you will get the profit anyway. Why not just follow the golden rules of the country rather than cutting corner because you want to get a profit? You want to bring the gold to Dubai to pay taxes. What happened? You were being intercepted. Bingo, you are in disaster. Okay? So I'm sharing you this because I'm already experienced a lot of issue. So now, because I have experience, I share it to the world so that the future buyer would be aware. Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, if you don't have a capital, if you have limited cash, I rather suggest better don't be involved in gold business. Don't. Because I'm telling you, you are going to encounter disaster. Now, buying this precious mineral, you need to have a capital. This is not CIF, Cost Insurance and Freight. This is not SBLC, Standard Letter of Credit. This is not LC, meaning to say you are going to borrow money in your bank. Gold is collateral, gold is cash. You are going to use the contract to ask your bank to borrow money, so therefore you have a deficiency of cash flow. Now I know most of the buyers are scared. I'm a woman from Australia. I traveled to Africa. I never been scared to anyone. Why? I know my seller. I can guarantee you, you will get the gold, but you need Wilhelmina on the ground. My services is not for free. I've given you information worth $1 billion. You must remember. Without this information, you would know, you would not be aware that gold is money. Gold is money, Mr. Buyer. Gold has many uses. You can refine this into 99.99. You can refine to make into watts. You can refine to make into jewelry, wedding ring, false states, industrial, etc., etc. This is not my business. My business, we have the gold, you have the money, you stand by. Now, how are you able to get the gold? It's very clear. You read first this full corporate offer in front of you. Click below and subscribe every time when I update the price, you will be notified. Now, going back to the pricing, you're going to say, well, Amina, how much is the price? You're not paying attention really. If you watch this video, I want you to listen to this video from the beginning to the end. And then when you're satisfied, you click below. There's a saying, full corporate offer, read properly. regardless of the price of the day, our selling price less 8% tax included. You're gonna say, well, Amina, do you think I'm gonna get the profit? Oh yes. You are a businessman, you should know that. Now, list 8%, our selling price is 79,547 per kilo. We don't sell 1 kilo, we don't sell 2 kilos, we don't sell 5 kilos. It's not worth it to travel. It's not. But if you buy 20 kilos, yes, it's worth it. If you buy 10 kilos, a little bit, you make profit. But when you increase, yes, you can get more profit. You can recover your expenses. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, I want to see you. Well, open your camera. I'm going to interview you first, video call. If you are from Dubai, download Botem because WhatsApp is not allowed to have video call, only Botem. I want to see you on video call whether you are really a buyer or not, because in Dubai there's so many fake buyers as well. There are a lot of smuggler. Their money is dirty. They're buying gold in order to clean their money. You must remember, if you're gonna bring gold in Dubai, you need to be transparent. I need to see your business registration. I need to see your importation license. I mentioned that a few seconds ago. I need to see the certificate of money laundering that your money is clean. Even if you're in United States or in Europe, you need to produce that from your country that you are investing gold and your money is clean. Why? Because most of the criminal they are using to buy gold in order to clean it. But if you cannot show us the certificate of money laundering that your fund in your bank account is clean, and when you transfer the payment bank to bank from your bank account to the seller's bank account, Africa is a red flag of gold laundering as well. Africa is a red flag of money laundering as well. So we need to see it so that the seller can show that when your fund will be frozen, the seller will say, here's the contract from the buyer and the seller's signature sign the contract that you are really legit and the seller is also legit. So do I explain it thoroughly, Mr. Buyer? Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, I want gold right now. I'm here in Mali. I'm here in Sierra Leone. I'm here in Ghana. I'm here in Conakry, Guinea. I don't deal buyer already on the ground. Why? There is a reason. You've been window shopping and you have been dealing with the seller that you didn't satisfy. Meaning to say, that seller is a street seller. They are excited to grab you, okay? And you're scared because you're a foreigner. To me, you don't need to be scared. Why? Because I'm going to arrive before you arrive. I'm going to sit down the head office. Listen, the buyer is coming, huh? You need to service the buyer properly because the buyer is paying my extra service in order to assist the buyer. Mhm. So the seller is aware because you sign a contract. All they stipulate that your information is on the contract. Your address, your email, where you're coming from originally. Your proof of fund, your bank statement is very significant. When I receive that, I will review that. Then I will send it to the seller. Then I will tell you during our video call that you meet the criteria. Now you will receive the confirmation of your order. Now you will receive the mining license of the seller. You will receive the export license of the seller. You will receive the company profile of the seller. That is how we do business. We don't cut corner. We don't entertain cut and paste. There are so many joker broker online from LinkedIn, from Facebook, from WhatsApp. It's okay. If those joker broker do want to make money, make sure your buyer is real. Mr. Buyer, you don't need a joker broker, really. You don't. We are now on the digital information. Right? This joker broker, Mr. Buyer, They search and they found me and they're gonna say, well, Amina, I have the buyer. And when I talk to the joker broker, where your buyer coming from? Because I need to interview the buyer. Joker broker cannot make a decision. Only you, Mr. Buyer, can make a decision because you are going to sign a contract. Yes, contract between you and the seller. Wilhelmina will only countersign that you come from Wilhelmina. I am your business facilitator at the same time. And I know my seller. I will arrive the day before you arrive, Mr. Buyer. I will welcome you in the airport together with the company driver. You don't need to be scared. You don't need to go to the mines. You only come from the hotel to the office. If you want to buy gold in Mali, tons of gold, yes. If you want to buy gold in Sierra Leone, yes. If you want to buy gold in Conakry, 100% yes. This seller of mine is legit. You will only see this legit seller when you deal with Wilhelmina. Now, you're going to say, Wilhelmina, how much you charge for your extra service? Last year, 2024, I did charge $20,000 to accompany you. It covers all my expenses. Listen, Mr. Buyer, you're a multimillionaire, right? You said you're rich because gold is for the rich people. You have $500,000, you have $1,000,000, therefore you can afford to pay my extra service to assist you. Now, 2025, I'm going to increase my extra service to cover my travel cost. Why? Airline ticket has increased. The hotel has been increased. The food is not for free. I've given you free information worth $1 billion. When you make a sale, you make $1,000,000 profit. In a year's time, but on the first transaction, you will make a profit of 6,917 per kilo. Okay? On 10 kilos. But if you order 20 kilos, I can help you to make a profit of 11,136 per kilo, provided you convince Wilhelmina. Why? I am the gatekeeper, Mr. Buyer. I am the gateway to get the legit seller because I know my seller that I have a transaction has been successful. And you've been roaming around from LinkedIn to Facebook to WhatsApp, collecting information, cut and paste, and my information was landed this morning into my WhatsApp cut and paste. And I told this stupid joker broker, you copied my information. Let your buyer understand that this gold is not for joker. Mr. Buyer, don't be a joker. If you cannot prove that you are a buyer, to me, you are also a joker. Why? You need to convince us. Gold is money. Gold is not potato. Gold is not for free. You are buying solid cash, Mr. Buyer. You are buying money to make money. If you don't have the money, how could you make money? Tell me. And then you're going to say, oh, I want to buy LC, bring the gold to my destination. We will pay after final asset. To me, you're a bullshit. Really. So don't be annoyed with my language because to me, you're a bullshit. This is not for bullshit business. This is real. Now, Mr. Buyer, as I've said to you few minutes ago, I used to be in real estate. I can distinguish fake buyers or not. I can distinguish buyers playing games. Don't play games with Wilhelmina when you come for conference because I can determine I'm gonna use my business psychology skill. I can determine your language. Now, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to be scared with this one because I can guarantee you make money. And if there is an issue when you come with me, I can find a backup. Why? I can make a reservation to other seller if you are not happy during the meeting on the head office. I always warn the seller. I bring the buyer. If the buyer is not happy, next. That is why my seller is also very careful with Wilhelmina because I'm with the buyer. I am helping both buyers and sellers. I am cleaning the dirty tricks of seller and the dirty tricks of buyer. Why? When the seller will say no problem, no problem, I don't want to hear that because there would be a problem at the end of the day. I always say to my seller, I don't want to hear that no problem. You're gonna tell the buyer with me in front, yes, Mr. Buyer, Mr. So and so, thank you for coming. That you deal with us via Wilhelmina. We will service you in accordance of the law. Why? You will get the ASI report before the gold leave the country of origin. You will get the certificate of clearance. You will get custom clearance. You will get the ownership. You need to ensure that. So the gold cannot be handed over to shipping agent unless you pay the gold. Your payment will reflect the cash inflow. So when you travel, you don't need to bring money because you have to pay the gold bank to bank because of money laundering. You only pay Wilhelmina of $20,000 this time. But end of the year, 2025, yes, I will increase to $25,000. Now, you're going to say, Wilhelmina, do I have to pay in advance? Yes, you are going to send money to Wilhelmina on her bank account after validation, after scrutinizing between the buyer and the seller, after you sign the contract. Electronically, you sign a contract that you understand, then we will issue the landing visa for you. Then that is the time you will transfer $20,000 this time to my bank account in order for me to cover my travel cost. Now, Mr. Buyer, I am very thorough. Eh? Before you travel, you need to have a yellow fever. You need to have a COVID injection in order to protect yourself because of the malaria. You need to have an injection to you need to go to the doctor for injection of yellow fever. Now, I have here everything. Yellow fever, I can show you my yellow fever. Because I don't have the thyroid, I am exempted with the yellow fever. Okay, I have now the visa and the buyer have the visa. Okay, so I'm waiting to clear the travel cost, my extra service. Now, my extra service is very cheap. If you go to the lawyer's office, you're going to be charged more than that, $500 an hour. To me, I only charge you my extra service. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, your extra service is expensive. You're buying expensive item, Mr. Buyer. So if you're going to say too expensive, therefore, you are not a buyer. Because if I am the buyer, I want to buy gold, it doesn't matter. I will pay Wilhelmina. It doesn't matter. Because when Wilhelmina be with me, I am safe. You must remember I was being screwed in the beginning 2011 because I wasn't aware. Now, since I have a bad experience, I share it with you. So you are very lucky that I have a bad experience when I was in Africa. I was being screwed. I was being cheated in Ghana. There's so many crook seller. I'm telling you, crook buyer and crook seller. The crook seller is this. Okay, no problem, no problem. I said no. I don't want to hear that no problem. I want to know whether the gold will leave the country of origin. Yes. Now in Conakry, the gold from Central Bank, the armor car will carry the gold to the airport and hand over to the shipping agent. Now, if you want to hand carry, I discourage you this time because the government has been changed their policy. They will scrutinize you. It's better to ship it, okay, to your destination. If you're in Dubai, use Sky Cargo. Okay, you talk to Sky Cargo in Dubai, their headquarters. They have branch in Conakry. Emirates fly 3 times a day. So that is not my business. My business, here's the gold. I will take you to the office. You like it? That's the time you make a down payment. There's no upfront. You will not get the gold unless you pay. Mhm. You inspect the gold, then you ask the gold at the central bank who will transact business there, and then you make a deposit because the gold cannot be brought to the central bank without your receipt of cash inflow. So the seller will apply to the central bank that he's going to export to the buyer, and they will show the receipt of your payment. Does any seller explain to you like this? None whatsoever. The seller doesn't care. The seller doesn't care. He wanted money, 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 money. Well, I mean, I care for you. You are paying my extra. My extra service is non-refundable. Okay? I'm telling you right now, it's non-refundable. $20,000 is peanuts. You're buying $1,000,000. You're getting profit. You're getting profit in a year, 80%. To me, if I am the buyer today watching this video, oh, I'm going to talk to Wilhelmina. This is what I'm looking for. You have been dealing with so many joker broker. Now I'm telling you again, there was a guy from Netherlands and from Germany. They come to see me in Dubai. They are really boastful. And this guy from Netherlands, they come to Gibora Hotel when I was staying at Gibora. This German guy, he came to Holiday Inn when I was staying at Holiday Inn. I look at them eyeball to eyeball. I notice them that they are a time waster. They're a small timer. They think they can make money. You can make money if you have a capital. This the guy from Netherlands. His money is limited. He has a residence in Dubai. He said he purchased apartment, but he has a limited cash. Now what happened? What happened? He went to Sierra Leone. Mhm. And I follow up him. Oh, how is your trip? And you know what he said? Oh, in Sierra Leone, lot of scammer. And I told him, yes, there's a lot, including you. You were asking cheap price. He was giving $35,000. And I told him, yeah, you are one. You're part of the scam because you lied yourself. I mentioned to you during our meeting in Gibora Hotel that it wouldn't work when you don't have a capital. So he went to Sierra Leone thinking the seller offered him cheap price. What happened? Disaster. He returned to his destination. Disaster. Empty-handed. And then he said, oh, there's a lot of scammer. You are one of the scammer. You are part of the syndicate. Because a real seller wouldn't believe on the street seller. A real buyer, if I am the buyer, I wouldn't believe on the street seller. I have to make sure that I'm safe. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you buy gold in Sierra Leone, you need to ask the gold at GGO or PMMT. Make sure that the seller has a license. And do not hand carry because you don't have the license. You can be arrested. There was a guy from Dubai. He was being invited by an Indian that he has a business registration, and he was being taken to the mines, and he said, in the mine, I went to the mines and full of gravel. Of course, there's no gold in the mines. They will dig the gravel and wash it and collect the dust gold. When they collect the dust gold, and then they smelt into bar and bring it in the city for export. Did the seller explain to you like this, Mr. Bayam? No. Well, I mean, I explained to you thoroughly why. I've been to Africa. That is the reason why you need my extreme services. I'm not an agency. I'm not. I am your business facilitator, and I'm also the extension of the seller. You only pay my extra service of 20,000 at the moment. End of 2025, yes, I'm going to increase my services to 25,000. When the gold is high, my services also increase. You're buying expensive item, Mr. Buyer. You're not buying potato here. If you don't want to pay my extra service, it's okay. You travel, I will prepare the contract, 8%, which is 79. But if you deal with Wilhelmina, I might give you 68. or 70. But don't bank on it because you have not convinced me. I am the gatekeeper. I have the power to renegotiate the price for you. And I have the power to say yes or no to you. And I have the power to reject you during our video call conference. Yes, then the seller will believe because I gather your vital information that you are legit buyer. You found the legit seller via Wilhelmina. I only handle Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone because I know my seller. Guaranteed you will get the gold. I don't want to deal buyer already on the ground encountering disaster. Again, there was a Pakistan and he flew to Conakry. He was talking to me for 6 months. During the time 2023, I was in Conakry. I brought the buyer. So this guy from Pakistan, he works in the company in Dubai. He's a young man. He sent me a message that he is in Conakry, Guinea, staying at Noom Hotel. During the time, I stayed at Noom Hotel. He was on the corner having breakfast, and I was also in the corner having breakfast. He's very smart, but he didn't get the gold. He showed me the contract on his phone, and I told him, go and meet the seller. And I know the seller that he was been dealing. Mhm. He go behind my back. That is fine. Okay? He's a very stubborn and smart. He think he can get the profit. Okay? You will get the profit if you deal in a proper way. So I told him, go to the office and meet the seller. Because the signature of this contract is not the signature of the seller. It's not. So he went to the office and he returned to Nom Hotel frustrated. He said, Wilhelmina, is the seller a scammer? I said, no. Seller is real. And he said, how do you know? He's my seller. You're dealing with my seller. And you deceive yourself. You have been talking to me for 6 months. And he went to the office asking cost insurance and freight only. He doesn't have the money. His buyer has no money. His buyer is paying his trip to come to Conakry. And then he's begging me, Wilhelmina, can you work with us? I said, not really, because you deceive yourself and you deceive me. He returned to Dubai empty-handed. What a foolish. He's a broker. So I called him Joker. Mr. Joker, broker, if you found this video, listen to this video, read the full corporate offer, advise your buyer that gold would not come to Dubai unless the seller and the buyer sign a contract. You don't need to hide. Most of the joker broker, they're scared because of their commission. That is not my business. If you're just brokering, your buyer is paying your services. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to deal with joker broker. You deal with Wilhelmina. Guaranteed you will get the gold, provided you meet the criteria. Now, once again, the price of gold getting higher and higher. Today is Saturday. When you wake up, you watch this video. If you subscribe, every time I updated the video, you will be alerted. Again, listen to this video properly. After you listen, you click below and read the full corporate offer paragraph by paragraph. Then that is the time you come for conference. I want to open your camera. I want to interview you. If you don't want to open your camera to me, you are not a buyer. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good afternoon here in Brisbane, Australia.